Yeah, people, you don't know. Yeah, that one a Lord. When I say Lord, that one a Lord, cause when the world boss, Adidjahiem, you know what I mean? Portmore General, acknowledge you. I'm not talk about no simple acknowledgement. When an artist like this, which is a giant within the entertainment fraternity, in the business, over a decade, acknowledge you, and compare himself to you. Remember, I tell you, me I talk about Vibes Cartel. Zin, yeah, I can interview go on. And I must speak, you know what I mean? On the new EP, where Valiant show out. And Kartel, Adidjahiem, the Vibes Lad. You know what I mean? For the girl them, for the world, for the youngster them. And make you know, said that you tell one name Valiant. Bad man where she love. Kuzu Bongs. Father. Rock.
Man, I live like Rasta. No beef, no pasta.
You know what I say? Science. The man I said this youth remind him of himself. Valiant remind him of himself. So you just imagine it in him prime. When him look upon Valiant, him and say, yo, that youth remind me of me when time I did in my prime too. In the beginning, in the boil up of the whole thing. In the startup phases of the entertainment. That youth give me a recollect. Me have to reminisce. The youth could have spit out a couple lyrics where the artist said, John, you know, I see him some would have say it. I see him some would have execute it and I would have youth. I want there for my son. Yeah, I swear, Adi and my dad who are vexed. So, the interview go on. You know what I mean? And Kartel go on to say, yeah, me have to look up to that youth because that youth are different. The vibration of that youth are different. You see me and say, yeah, different. That tight for Valiant. But watch you now. The world boss will be the world boss. Adidjahiem, yeah, the one world boss, brother. Because incarceration from 2011 and lock up on them thing there. Zane lock up from 2011. Still release songs. And the name of this album is Numb. You know what I mean? Ironically, him tell me also how, you know, prior to sources, he make me know. And I make them know how he came up with the name Numb. You know what I mean? Him and his wife did a whole reasoning and thing, and she was saying, Jano, I miss saying, and you know, she just make him know, say, oh, she want to see him and it would have been nice to have him around and thing. And you know, but the only time, you know, she feel numb. But the only time when she not feel numb is when she play the world boss music. Yeah, man, she said the only time when she not feel numb is when time the music in her ears. So right away the DJ say, it's a good idea. Girl, them not feel comfortable if me in them ears. You know what I mean? From 2011, yet still in them ears, but right now I dedicate that one to the whole of the girl them ears jump. You know what I mean? Free up them numbness. Cause right now, yeah, the girl them want to hear the Kartel, the Adidjahiem. You see me? So I must say, right, that's where the idea come from. So right away, him and them people them come together and, you know what I mean? I don't know, so jack them. I got distribute the thing. You see me? I say, I have some youth over Sweden over one part, or one place, some Turkish people. You know, we are part of the whole vibration too. Yes, man, but Kartel, yeah, man, EP, ear tracks, people listen out and look out for that one day. If you know what I mean, big up Tanisha Shorty Johnson. You see me? I say, we keep, you know what I mean, little vibes and the bigger vibes. You see it? Yeah. But right now, the man have a 8-track EP releasing the 28th of this month, April. You know what I mean? I hear it right as the first Reggae VYBZ media. If you haven't subscribed or hit the notification bell, it would be nice if you do so. You see me, I say, I would really love the energy, them would love the vibration, because I swear to you, Kartel, I one world boss. I got up tracks like, you know, about last night. You know, track name Playboy Bunny. And only for you. You see me I say just to name a few of the names of the tracks them are going to on the EP. Yeah. So, you know, the world boss, Adidjahiem, Vibes Kartel, you know, at it again. So me I say my people, yeah man. The world boss, at it again.